in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. Shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet.
And this is my dog Reka, and of course I'm with my wife who's actually taking this video. Anyway, I would like to greet you, happy reunion, and I hope I will be there with you next time. And even though I'm not there, my presence is with you guys through this video. And sana this will not be the last, and I hope makakasama na kami ng misis ko sa susunod. Alright? And sana gawin yung memorable at happy ang reunion nito. Thank you, and happy greetings to all. Bye-bye!
Uy, kumusta na mga classmates? I wish nandyan ako for the reunion. Kaya lang I can't. So, I'm on a video. So, 20 years already. Ang tagal, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Pero, I just want to congratulate everybody for, you know, yung mga accomplishments ninyo. And then, for the ones that are still aspiring, good luck. Nasa Japan ako ngayon. But usually, nasa US. Kaya lang yung asawa ko na estasyon dito, so we're here. Well, I don't know what else to say. So, good luck na lang sa lahat. And thank you, naaalala nyo pa ako. Tapos kung hindi ko naaalala kayo, I'm so sorry. I don't mean it on purpose. Kaya lang, talagang nakakalimutan ko na. I guess it's the old age or whatever. But anyway, good luck and I hope you guys have fun. And again, thanks for adding. And I hope we continue to communicate with each other, I guess, sa Facebook. Add nyo na lang ako or whatever, okay? Sige, ingat kayong lahat dyan and again, enjoy.
Hi classmate, kamusta kayo? Binabati ko kayong lahat. Salamat at naka-attend kayo sa reunion na ito. Ako po si Arman Smile, classmate ng 4th year N1 under Ms. Gitapal. Ms. Gitapal, hi ma'am, kamusta po? At gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga classmate natin na talagang nagpursige para matupad ang araw na ito. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Lumabas na kayo. At sila po yung talagang nagpursige. Kahit na po busy sila sa trabaho or sa bahay, nandun pa rin po yung komunikasyon para lang maging maayos at matupad yung reunion na ito. Salamat mga classmate at ingat kayo dyan. Enjoy nyo lang yung moment na yan. Sana maging ligtas ang lahat hanggang sa pag-uwi at smile lang. Okay, panalo. Asyan, enjoy nyo lang yan. Nga pala yung mga classmate ko dyan, yung mga naging malalapit sa akin, si Rodini Nakwa, si John Saison, si Michael Alvarez. Guys, alam ko walang pinalad sa atin na maging valedictorian, pero sa kabila ng lahat nakapagtapos pa rin tayo. At naalala ko pa pag wala tayong teacher, pupunta tayo sa library, nagbabasa ng mga libro para ipagpatuloy yung ating pangarap at maging matalino tayo, di ba? Ganun tayo, di ba? Sige guys, enjoy nyo lang yan. Enjoy. Ingat kayo. God bless.
Just one last
One!
year. What we gave our friends. Go on. Our paths have crossed, but it's the last time I'll have you. When we